Let's take them. Solve 2x plus 1 whole square y double dash minus 6 times 2x plus 1 y dash plus 16y equals 8 times 2x plus 1 whole square. See, RHS, this is the third problem. RHS and LHS almost it is same. AX plus B, it is repeated in RHS also. Previous two problem also. But RHS may be different. In the next problem, I will tell you. Yes, as usual, using operator D. Using operator D, I will write directly 2x plus 1 whole square d square. I will not write y, just I am taking y common. Okay, minus 6 times 2x plus 1 into d, y dash stands for d, plus 16. Complete after 16, you write one bracket, complete the bracket and write y. That is equal to 8 times 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so just one step and just I am avoiding. You can write in this way also. Okay, write d and take y common. Okay, now put t equals log of 2x plus 1. This implies 2x plus 1 equals e power t. 2x plus 1 equals e power t. Yes, now what is the substitution? See here 2x plus 1 into d. Anyone? What is the substitution?
2d1.
2 into d1. Very good. What is the coefficient of x? That only you have to multiply according to its degree. Okay. Now the second term is 2x plus 1 whole square d square. So this is replaced by 2 square d1 into d1 minus 1. That you can write directly. 2 square is 4, no? 4 d1 square. If you multiply minus 4 d1. 4 d1 square minus 4 d1. Yes, now substitute to the above equation. You will get 4 d1 square minus 4 d1 minus 6 into 2x plus 1 d is 2 d1. You can write 12 d1. Shall I write directly? Here already 6 is there and multiply
Yes.
by 2. It gives 12. 12 d1 plus 16 into y equals what happens RHS?
E power 2t.
Yes, e power 2t. That's it. Because 2x plus 1 is nothing but it is e power t. So 2x plus 1 whole square is e power 2t. That's it. And now you simplify here. You will get 4 d1 square minus 16 d1 plus 16 into y equals 8 e power 2t. Observe the equation. I can divide by 4 no throughout LHS as well as RHS.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, then this become d1 square minus 4 d1 plus 4 into y equals 4 into e power 2t. Yes, auxiliary equation. Now this is type 1 problem. M square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0.
So that is 2 into e power 2t.
Oh, sorry. Yes, 2 into e power 2t. Yes, this is for 4 factors. We can get 2 2s like that minus 2 minus 2. Product is plus 4 and sum is minus 4. This implies m equals 2 comma 2. Therefore, yc equals C1 plus C2t, not x. Okay, in these two concepts, it will change. That's it. C1 plus C2. C2t multiplied by e power 2t. That's it. This is the first part. So now consider yp. Consider yp equals 2 e power 2t divided by d1 square minus 4 d1 plus 4. Substitute. Put d1 equals, this is exponential. Okay, put d1 equals 2. 2 means coefficient of t. Okay, so since 2 is a root here, see, 2 is a root, denominator will get 0 definitely. So that become 2. So since it is a denominator is 0, 2 I will write outside, multiply 1t and e power 2t divided by, differentiate, it gives 2d1 minus 4d1, 4, that's it. So same procedure, put again d1 equals 2, again denominator is 0 because 4 minus 4, so 2 I will write as it is, multiply one more t, that gives t square, e power 2t divided by, differentiation of 2d1 is 2, that's it. So 2 and 2 cancel, so the finally yp equals t square into e power 2t. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, finally y equals yc plus yp, where t equals log of, what is t here?
2x
Log
plus
of 2x plus 1.
2x plus 1. Okay, where t equals log of 2x plus 1. So this is the method of solving Legendre race. So difference between Cauchy's and Legendre race is very small. That is the product means multiplication with the coefficient of x while substituting d to d1. That's it. Yeah, one more problem I will take and let me see. This next problem, solve x plus 2 whole square y double dash, x plus 2 whole square y double dash minus x plus 2 y dash minus x plus 2 y dash plus y equals 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Yes, let it be using operator D. Using operator D. Yes, this gives x plus 2 whole square d square. I will write y, I will take y common in the same step, minus of x plus 2, y dash stands for d, plus y become 1 here because I am taking common. So write y and RHS is 3x plus 4. You can observe it is different from previous problems. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
RHS you can't make as x plus 2, either you take common or whatever you do it. Okay, so that I will tell you that is okay. As usual, put t equals log of what? X plus 2, correct? Huh? Yeah. This implies what is x plus 2 equals e power t.
E power t.
Yeah.
E
Now
power
here
t.
see, here in this x plus 2 is equal to e power t. This implies what is x is equal to?
E power t minus 2.
Yeah, this you have to substitute in the RHS. That's it. Okay, wherever x is in the previous problems, it is of the form ax plus b only. So complete ax plus b, the set we are substituting. Now it is different RHS. So therefore, you put x, whatever it is, wherever x is there, from this expression, what is x, you substitute. That's it. And now x plus 2 into d, LHS now. X plus 2 into d replaced by just d1 because coefficient of x is 1 into d1. And x plus 2 whole square d square replaced by 1 square d1 into d1 minus 1. This is nothing but d1 square minus d1. Yes. Now substitute in the above equation. It gives d1 square minus d1 square minus d1 minus x plus 2d stands for d1 plus 1 multiplied by y. Yes, what happens RHS here? 3 times x stands for e power t minus 2 plus 4. Or you should write this equation in a standard way. So d1 square minus 2d1 plus 1 into y equals 3 e power t minus 6 plus 4. This can be written as d1 square minus 2d1 plus 1 into y equals 3 e power t minus 2. Now this is our problem. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now auxiliary equation m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. For 1 we can get the factors 1 1s like minus 1 minus 1. Product is plus 1, sum is minus 2. So this implies m equals plus 1 comma plus 1 roots. So since the roots are real and equal, therefore yc equals c1 plus c2t multiplied by e power t. Yes. Do it yp. Yp equals see, there are two terms now. Exponential now, RHS. There are two terms. So you have to divide separately. So 3 e power t, 3 e power t divided by d1 square minus 2d1 plus 1 minus 2 divided by d1 square minus 2d1 plus 1. Because there are two terms in the RHS and both you should treat as a exponential only, even though constant can be written as e power 0. So now put what is the substitution for first one? d1 is equal to 1. Because 1 is a root, here denominator becomes 0. And second term d1 is equal to 0. So 0 means you will get the answer. Okay. So for only first term you have to evaluate. So since denominator is 0, I will write constant first and I will multiply t, then e power t divided by, yeah, differentiate, you will get 2d1 minus 2. d1 square differentiation is 2d1 minus 2d1 differentiation is minus 2. 1 becomes 0 minus second term 2 divided by 1. Because d1 is 0, we left 1. Second term is over, only first term. Again put d1 equals 1, again denominator equal to 0. So what to do? Multiply one more t, that gives t square e power t by differentiate 2d1 differentiation is 2 minus here 2. That's it. So finally yp equals yp equals 3 by 2 t square e power t minus 2. Okay. Therefore, y equals yc plus yp, where what is t? Log of
X plus 2.
x plus
2.
X plus, no, x plus 2. See, the second part is not important while substituting. Okay, coefficient of x is important, like xd to d1 d square, like that, d1 square. Okay, so one more last problem is there. Just I will give, and let me see. We will solve, and I'll finish the class. Yes, solve 2x plus 5 whole square y double dash minus 6 into 2x plus 5 y dash plus 8y equals 6x. Again, this is RHS is not in a standard way like ax plus b. Whatever it is, you calculate what is x is equal to and substitute. Yes, using operator D. Using operator D. 2x plus 5 whole square y double dash you can written as d square minus 6 times 2x plus 5 y dash stands for d plus 8. I am not writing y anywhere and I am taking common, y equals 6x. Okay, now put t equals log of 2x plus 5 implies 2x plus 5 is equal to e power t. Okay, now here you calculate x because RHS you have to substitute x now. So in this expression only, in this step only you calculate. So what happens x? First 2x. What is 2x is equal to e power t minus 5. Therefore x is equal to e power t minus 5 whole divided by 2. This is x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is I want to replace these terms, no, variable coefficient. So 2x plus 5 multiplied by d is equal to 2 into d1. Why it is 2 means coefficient of x is 2. Next 2x plus 5 whole square d square is equal to 2 square into d1 minus 1. That is equal to, you can write
Yes,
2
sir.
square is 4, 4 d1 square minus 4 d1. Yeah, this is the extra step while solving the previous problems differential equation, constant coefficient and the variable coefficient, Cauchy's and Legendre's. Yes, replace. You will get 4 d1 square minus 4 d1 first term minus 6 into 2, 12 d1 plus 8. Again, this is a previous problem only RHS is different. I think previous was before previous problem, I think. Yeah, 6 times RHS, x value is e power t minus 5 whole divided by 2. Here 2 and 6 cancel 3 and this you have to put on bracket. So next step, what happens? 4 d1 square minus 16 d1 plus 8 equals 3 e power t minus 15. Okay, so to calculate roots, I can take 4 common. See, I can't divide here. Is it right? I can't divide by 4. So I will take 4 common, otherwise you can keep as it is, you can find the roots. What is the auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is 4m square minus 16m plus 8. Correct? 8 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now you can divide. You can divide by 4 now. You will get m square minus 4m plus 2 equal to 0. Correct? Is there any mistake?
No, sir.
Yes. Is there any factors? No factors. You should go with the formula. Find out what is the root. A equals 1, B equals minus 4, C equals 2. M equals minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So that is M equals yes. Minus B means 4, minus of minus, plus or minus root of B square is 16, minus 4AC is 8, divided by 2A is 2. You will get 4 plus or minus square root of 8 by 2. So 8 can be written as 4 twos are. Okay, so 4 you can take out of the square root, you will get 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2. Why I am writing means I can take 2 common in the numerator and I can divide. You will get only 2 plus or minus root 2. This is m. Is it right? I can divide, I can take common, 2 I can take common and I can divide. So you will get 2 plus or minus root 2. It is not a complex root, it is a real. 2 plus root 2 is one value and 2 minus root 2 is another value. It is not complex, you can split. And finally, yc equals c1 e power 2 plus root 2 t plus c2 e power 2 minus root 2 into t. Yp, consider yp. Yp equals, yes, how many terms in the RHS? 2 terms. 3 e power t minus 15. Both are simple only. E power t divided by, yeah, what is the differential equation? 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 8. 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 8 minus 5 divided by same 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 8. Now put d1 equals 1, d1 equals 0.
That is 15.
15, oh sorry, yeah, 15. Yes, what you will get? Answer finally, yp equals 3 e power t divided by, you will get the answer because 1 is not a root, no? You will get 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 minus 16 is minus 4, correct? Minus 15 divided by 0, first term 0, second term 0, you will get 8, that's it. Both are negative term, or yp equals minus 3 e power t by 4 minus 15 by 8. Therefore, y equals yc plus yp. This is enough, where t equals, what is that? Log of 2x plus 5. Is it right? Yes.